Good afternoon, everybody. It's Doc here from OnTheMoneyOptions.com, and this is a bear playing with a flag. And he looks cute. It looks like a lot of fun, but I don't believe I'd go out there and play with it. Here's another bear flag, and I wouldn't suggest you play with this either. This is a bear flag on Avalon Bay, and a bear flag basically is a continuation pattern in a bearish long-term downtrend. What you see here is that Avalon Bay makes a new lower low and then stops and comes back to retest that breakdown. It's moved back up, and you see it's moved up close to its 50-day moving average and has stopped. Typically, this is a good indication that the stock is going to continue down. Now, the trigger that we look for is the stock to move back below that little trend line that I drew on there. Once it breaks that level, then there's a good possibility this goes much lower. One of the things you'll find very interesting about looking at that low where I've set it is that corresponds with several lows that it's touched in the past. So we've taken out that support level, we're coming back to test it again, and then we're looking to see if it's going to continue to go below. If it goes below, it's probably going to the 140 area. Here's a little bit different look. We're looking at the weekly chart of Avalon Bay in the top pane. And then the bottom pane, we're looking at the Avalon Bay relative to the S&P 500. As you can see, I've drawn a trend line across the bottoms of the Avalon Bay, and you see that it has proceeded up and then broken that trend line, and now it's challenging the 200-day moving average. Looking at the lower pane, you can see that Avalon Bay has been underperforming the SPX for quite some time. So these are all real good indicators that we're not looking at a bullish reversal, but we're actually looking at a bearish continuation. And this pattern's called a bear flag, and I'd be on the lookout for it, and I'd stay away from this one just like I'd stay away from that little bear on the golf course. So anyway, this is Doc from OnTheMoneyOptions.com and Coastal Capital Management saying trade safe and stay hedged.